The J-35 stealth fighter by Slubin, 1/44 scale, exquisitely reproduced, metallic painted parts, replicating the stealth texture of the prototype. Heat-sensitive decals, accurately reproducing the aircraft's markings, landing gear that can be extended and retracted, main wings that can fold up and down, and movable vertical stabilizers, multiple movable parts on the fuselage, realizing the multi-role performance of the fighter jet. Details accurately reproduce the internal missile bay. With two long-range air-to-air missiles that can be easily swapped, the cockpit canopy can open. With one pilot figure included, comes with a display stand, making it a collectible military model suitable for ages 6 and up, a must-have for aviation and military model enthusiasts, beautifully packaged in a color box, perfect for gifting.